Hi, welcome back to Mix and Mangle. I'm still Scarlos, and I'm going to show you how to make a dirt nap. To make a dirt nap, you'll need 1 to 2 ounces of vodka, 1 to 2 ounces of original Kahlua, 1 to 2 ounces of Irish cream liqueur, 1 to 2 ounces of coconut rum, a blender, chocolate sauce, or strawberry or caramel, Oreo crumbles, some fun toppings. I'm using maraschino cherries, gummy worms, and an eye made of white chocolate. And you'll also need about 8 scoops of ice cream. To start off, you'll need to pour in about half of your ice cream into the blender, followed by your Kahlua, Irish cream liqueur, vodka, and coconut rum. Then you'll need to blend for about 10 seconds. Then you'll toss in some of your Oreo crumbles and blend again. Afterwards, you'll add in the rest of your ice cream and blend. Now you've got the main component of your dirt nap. But before you pour in your drink, drizzle some chocolate or sauces of your choosing on the interior of your container. Then pour in your drink, and be sure to leave room near the rim for your special ingredients. Finally, you'll top off the drink with the cookie crumble and add in your toppings. And now you're ready for a dirt nap.